Check out this Ford 2018 Escape Titanium FWD SUV. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, compressor, intercooled turbo, driver memory seats and fuel economy EPA highway, MPG 28 and EPA city, MPG 21. This vehicle shows low mileage and is a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.